Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be unboxing all of the peripherals from Logitech. Let's get the smaller stuff unboxed first, and first up we have the C922 Pro. So when you open up the box, the first thing you see is the webcam itself. Remove it. The cable comes attached with the webcam, and on the bottom first up they give you a very nice tripod. With the tripod, you actually don't need to have your webcam on the monitor itself. You can actually just have a very free flow adjustment of where you want to place this, so you can get different angles and what you want this to be recording or streaming. Up next, let's take a look at the G903 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse. When you open it up, you will see that it is, as usual, presented very nicely. Something I like about Logitech products is all of it is presented in a very nice and just looks so gorgeous when you open up the box, and the unboxing experience itself is different. So this is the mouse. It's actually not that heavy because on the bottom is where this will attach to the PowerPlay mousepad, which we'll get into that in a bit. Underneath here, you're going to be getting the charging box, charging case. So in here you have the receiver and also exchangeable buttons, and obviously this. So this is the battery that will charge through the PowerPlay mousepad. So you have to put this in, or if you choose to, you can just go wireless, or you can use a wired connection. The cable is braided, so it should last for quite long, and yeah, that's it for the box. The PowerPlay works not only with the G903, but also the G703 Pro wireless. And then, opening it up again, ooh, this just looks gorgeous. So here you have the mousepad itself, and you're getting two surfaces. The one in this plastic here, this is the hard surface, and this is the soft surface. So you can actually just remove them and swap them out based on your own liking. And underneath the PowerPlay is obviously you need the cable, because this is where it's going to draw power from, the mouse charger thing that draws the power, and you get a whole bunch of instructions on how to actually connect this to a mouse. This is Logitech's flagship wireless gaming headset, so I'm just going to unbox it. Take this out. So this is the headset itself. Feels very premium, feels very nice. Can't wait to use this, turn this on and give you my thoughts on this. And all of their cables, etc. are hidden inside here. So you're getting quite a few cables so that you can have either a wired connection with the aux cables, USB connection. And yeah, that's about it for what's inside the box for this one. Very simple, very easy. The thing about this headset is that obviously it's definitely going to be wireless, and yeah, you can connect this to your PC, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, everything and anything that you want this to connect to, you can obviously connect this, and it really feels very comfy. Moving on. For the keyboard, we have the G915, and this is Lightspeed with GL Tactile and also LightSync, and this is going to be a wireless mechanical keyboard. The keyboard itself is very slim, and these are the keys on it, which feel okay. They definitely feel very good, and you're getting dedicated media controls, which I really like. Lightspeed, so this is wireless, and you have the receiver here, and then you also have a cable if you just want it to be in wired mode and also to charge the keyboard at the same time. Other than that, there's nothing else in the box. Something I've realized about this keyboard is there's actually no wrist rest. I actually thought this was going to be the wrist rest, but it isn't. But yeah, this is a slim profile, so we'll see how it performs and I'll let you know my thoughts on this when I get into more detail. And now, last but not least, we are going to be taking a look at the G560 Logitech speakers. The inside of the box is very nice, so it just says welcome to Lightsync gaming speakers and few languages. Just gonna open this up. On the inside you also get the instructions right on the top flap here. So this is the front box, and I'm just gonna open it up. And all of the cables and the speakers are in here. They're actually a little bit smaller than I assumed, because it didn't look this small like from the pictures. But yeah, so these are the speakers. So this one side and the other side. So just let me get the wires out. This is the left side. So they're basically identical. Now, so in the box, you're also going to be getting the connection cable. So this USB to their own port, power cable, and yeah, a few different connections for depending on which region you're using this in. Put this to the side. And this is something really big, so I'm just gonna stand up and get it out. The amplifier is really humongous, so I'm assuming the bass from this should be pretty good. On the back of the amp is where you can connect the speakers and also the power. Okay, that is it for the unboxing, and yeah, I'll definitely be checking this out in detail because this is going to be part of the PC setup, my personal PC setup that I'm actually working on. So yeah, I'll be using all of these peripherals, and I'll give you my more detailed thoughts on this after I've used all of these peripherals. So remember, like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos, hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!